Oren and I. Oren is from Caspi Freight in Israel. If you
Right.
need, if you need somebody in Israel, he's your man. He's actually my man too, because rather than just joining the network, he joined. Is so proactive that he's regularly recommending his partners to us. One by one, they join because he's got influence, because he's a respected good man.
That's correct.
Why is it you're recommending people to us?
Well, first because honestly speaking, I love you guys.
Aw, we love you.
You deserve that.
Thank you.
And in the end of the day, it's a matter of business. And I'm part of this business right now. I mean, SFN is a group, and I'm part of it. I do believe in the product. That's why I'm actually pushing people to join you guys.
And
You're
I-
making good for people. That's
Thank
why I
you.
believe in you.
Thank you.
And I will keep on doing it. You should do it as well.
Good, you're recommending anyone watching right now.
yeah,
And
big
this,
time.
this is your first meeting because you've only just joined us within the past year.
Mm-hmm.
Impressions?
Very good, professional, organized. I'm quite satisfied. You see the business coming in? Yeah, we're all good.
And we've had great fun, right?
Absolutely.
More tonight.
More tonight.
Thanks for your time, darling.
Thank you, darling. Bye.
Bye.